Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Evil and today we're working on T900 Stage 2. If you watched my first video, you probably know what a Stage 2 for T900 is. If not, I'll remind you. Stage 2 is stripping down the stock parts and building some custom liquid cooling system. In this case, we are taking down all the stock fans from 1080 Ti's. We are adding radiators, setting up all the brackets and mounts for the water cooling loop, also setting up the fans for the radiators, as well as adding the water cooling block for GPU and CPU. Because it's the first water cool build that I'm doing, I guess the biggest challenge for me will be to plan the actual loop, where the tube's going to go and how I want it to look like. But let's leave that for later.
Yeah!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, you guessed it, I f***ed up. Okay, I'll explain. So what we have here is 1080 Ti from MSI, and this is the water block for 1080 Ti Founders Edition. It says on the bloody box. Still didn't get it? Well, this will not fit.
That's what she said.
So one thing to remember, don't be a noob. Always check if your parts are compatible with each other. And if you're wondering what's going to happen with these two water blocks, well, subscribe and you might get one of these in the next giveaway.